Is that your letter from your Mimi? You just love letters, don't ya? Well, what are you doing? What are you doing? You showing me a flip-flop. Thank you. Surprise! My big girls are all dressed up like beauty queens and princesses. So nice. You look beautiful. Very pretty.